I caught a cold last time I was on an airplane, so we are going to make what might be the most hypocritical video I can imagine, which is to say that if you are a leader, you are responsible for setting the example for the behavior that you expect from the rest of your team. If you want employees to stay home when they're sick, then you should stay home when you are sick. If you want your employees to take vacation days, then you should take vacation days. You set the tone and culture of your team based upon the actions that you take. And I would argue that those are things that you do want your team to do. The reason why typically you want your team to stay home when they're sick is it's going to allow them to recover more quickly, meaning that they're going to be back to full efficiency more quickly. If they come to work when they're sick, then they're going to be sick for longer. And in the end, you are going to give up work because they're going to drag out that period of being sick. If you are in a physical office, additionally, if they come in to work sick, there's a high probability they're going to spread that around to other members of your team. So what might have been 1 or 2 days of lost productivity from a single employee might turn into a drag on the team for several weeks. Similarly, you want your team to take their vacation days. That's designed for them to recharge, to get them rested, to get them able to work at full efficiency again. You want your team to be out of the office when it's appropriate for them to be out of the office, for them to be taking their vacation days, for them to be taking sick days when they're sick. And there will be exceptions to that. Obviously, there are times when you are willing to take a long-term hit to productivity because of a short-term deadline. But you set the policy based on what you do in the average case, not what you do in the exceptional case. For the most part, I tried to take the attitude for vacation days that I would approve vacation days pretty much at any point in time, regardless of what was going on the project. Were there the occasional exception? Probably, often self-imposed by employees because they would choose not to take vacation days based upon deadlines that they saw coming up. But by having a relatively strict policy of being open to people taking time off whenever they wanted to, I was trying to set the tone of vacation was important. Pretty late in my career at BioWare, executives within EA, and I was one of those, moved from a set number of vacation days to an unlimited number of vacation days. And there are a bunch of reasons why I think that is a psychologically manipulative policy that I don't agree with. What I did once I switched from having a set number of vacation days to this theoretically unlimited number of vacation days was to make sure that I always took the same number of vacation days as I had before this policy changed. To hint at some of the psychological manipulation, what typically happens at companies that go to an unlimited vacation day policy is that on average, people take less vacation days than they did before the policy change. So by trying to ensure that I continued to take the same number of vacation days, I was again showing and signaling to the team that vacation days are important, that you should be taking your time off, that it's important, and that the team culture thinks that it's important as well. The things that you do as a leader will be picked up by the team. And regardless of what you say, the actions that you take often carry more weight than the words that come out of your mouth. So if you want people to take sick time, if you want people to take vacation days, then you have to do that as well. Now, I'm recording this video while I have a head cold, so I guess goes to show how much I'm willing to follow my own advice. But it's important that you walk the walk as much as you talk the talk. Policies that the leadership of a team are unwilling to follow will typically not be followed by the team as well. Or if they are followed, they will be followed with resentment. This is one of the big problems that I see currently occurring with a lot of studios with BackTo Office orders. What is happening at I would say, shocking number of studios is you have the average dev being forced back into the office 2 days, 3 days, 5 days a week. And meanwhile, you have leadership at those same studios who are not going into the office the same amount of time. And what you're signaling by doing that is, one, you don't really believe in the reasons you gave for everyone having to be back in the office, because theoretically those reasons should apply to you as well, right? But also what you're signaling as well is that you consider yourself to be outside of the structure of the rules that you're setting for the rest of the team. So it's hard to expect enthusiastic engagement in a rule if the leadership isn't engaging with it as well. So a short video today because, as I said, I have a cold, but if you want your team to do something, you should be prepared to do that same thing. If you want the members of your team to stay home when they are sick, stay home when you are sick. If you want your team members to take their vacation days, take your vacation days. If you want everyone to come back to the office, you need to go back to the office as well. A special thanks to my members. They provide the resources that this channel needs to keep running. If you're interested in becoming a member, there's a link to that down in the description. We also have a Patreon if you're more interested in supporting the channel in that way. Both channel members and patrons get access to our Discord, which is a good way to interact with this community to a deeper level. Additionally, the higher levels of channel membership gets you early access to videos, so you would have seen this video more than a week ago if you were a channel member. We also have merch if you want to pick up something that shows your support for this channel. I'm wearing the Socratic Method is a pain in the ass, a very inside baseball shirt that I like. There will be a link to that in the description of this video as well. I will see you again soon. Thank you.